Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily download Hero Wars application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without further ado. In order to get the Hero Wars application on your iPhone is pretty easy. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet and then launch Open App Store. Into the search box, type in Hero Wars and search. Now you can look for this application from Nexters Global Limited and tap on Get in order to begin downloading the app. Go ahead and confirm your identity or log into your Apple ID and then your download process should begin. Hero Wars is a free-to-play game with in-app purchases. Players can spend real money to purchase in-game items such as gems, gold, and hero shards. However, it is also possible to get through the game without spending any money. So wait for the application to download and install, which might take a couple of minutes. Once the download is completed, you will be able to open the app and play it right away on your iPhone. So that's how you can easily get the Hero Wars application downloaded on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.